3, 2, 1. Hello, Ultimate Steve here, and today we are going to launch a rocket in the dark. And we have a little light attached to it as well as a glow stick. This is 2 years expired, so. Oh yeah. Now that is just hype. The rocket is ready. That's Ultimate Sarah back there. She's also, there's the moon. Can't see it very well on the camera, but there's the moon. Okay, there's the rocket on the pad. We are go for launch. Are we ready for liftoff, people?
Okay.
And precisely 10.
This is gonna fail.
9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, chicken! Oh jeez. Oh yeah!
Sarah, turn off the camera. I'm going for it. Three, 2, 1. Okay, that was awesome. Don't know how well the cameras captured that, but there's a lot of sparks and there was a lot of green, and if there was any people with model rockets out there who have glow sticks as well, I highly recommend you try this. Okay, Metalizer, Darkness Mission 1 has been found, and yeah, that was awesome. Still going strong, and we'll go strong for 12 hours-ish. Ultimate Steve, out.